Hey good people! Welcome back to Ballards by Design. Y'all, did y'all know Texas was closing tomorrow? Y'all know when we get a wintry mix, ice, anything, y'all know we don't be playing like that in Texas. We close the state down. Anyway, so since we're gonna be iced in this weekend, I'm preparing for that. So y'all come on in here with us. This is just a vlog. We just in here doing what we doing. I'm in the kitchen cooking like I'm always doing. I'll give y'all the ingredients. This ain't no tutorial or nothing, but I put the ingredients over here somewhere and I'll let y'all see how the soup turned out. I like to go ahead and boil my lasagna noodles instead of putting them in while the soup is cooking because they expand and they get so big. So I don't like to do mine like that. So I boil my noodles first. Okay? We just had an order come from Sam's. I told y'all we preparing this. So I got some waters and some necessities that we're gonna need around the house, right? So we got games and movies and we got cupcakes and we got stuff to have a fun weekend at home. Iced in, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. Anyway, y'all, come on along with us. Y'all stay tuned. We finna do some more stuff. Y'all stick around, okay? Alright, we cooking. Come on, let's cook. So the noodles are ready. I'm getting ready to drain these, okay? Okay, so I use spaghetti sauce. So y'all can use tomato sauce, the diced tomatoes and all that if you want to make up your sauce. But it is going to be thick, right? So at this point you can add liquid. You need to add water, chicken broth, beef broth, whatever you want, okay? That mug is perfect. I don't need to do nothing to it. Alright, doesn't that look delicious? That's the final results. Hi.
What we got here?
Lasagna soup.
Hey. All right. I'm going for it. Is it hot?
It's hot.
Like hot? Too hot.
It's hot.
All right, let's see.
Okay.
Here we go. No, I like this.
Be careful. I did fill you up, didn't I?
lasagna soup.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Different change up from lasagna. And you know I love soup, especially when it's cold.
It's gonna be perfect for the next couple of days.
Yes. My thoughts exactly.
Hey.
It ain't gonna last a couple of days though, but
May not. Listen, we'll enjoy this while bundling up.
Alright, y'all. It's good.
It's a win.
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and taste the soup. Now, I put a little bit more ricotta in mine, but I didn't put all that cheese, y'all. I can't do all that cheese. And we did get pizza from Sam's. Oh, baby, that was good. Okay, so this is really good. Before y'all say this 2 different meals, no, it's not, because I would have eaten this with garlic bread and probably a salad. I don't have no stuff for salad, so I will. But anyway, I would have eaten this with garlic bread anyway, or cheesy bread. So I ordered cheese pizza from Sam's as the bread. So we have our cheesy bread, cheese pizza, and our soup, our lasagna soup. So I'm gonna go and enjoy this and watch Tom and Jerry. Y'all watch Tom and Jerry. Good morning. It is currently 2:54, January 24th, 2026, and it is snowing or raining or sleeting. It's doing something because I can hear it. So the wintry mix has arrived in North Texas, y'all. Yes, my TV is on. I turned it on the news to see what was going on and everything. So anyway, I am going to go check it out and see what it's looking like. Okay, the road is completely white, y'all. Can y'all see out these blinds? I love y'all enough to go to the front door and kind of look out a little bit. Hold on. Before I go outside, y'all, I told y'all I was watching the news. Look at these temps. Oh, it's cold, y'all. But y'all, I can't believe how bright it is out here this time of morning. But anyway, the winter mix is here in North Texas. Y'all stay safe and warm. This dog get on my nerves. Every time this door open, y'all, it is really coming down. Ooh, yeah, okay, I'm back in my bed with my electric blanket, y'all. I'm gonna put this in the description box, okay? I got this from Amazon. It is a king size electric blanket. It's furry, you know, soft. Oh my God, y'all, I love it. And it has dual control. So I can put mine on like 1 or 2 or 3. And then my husband, yeah, he could put his on 10. I don't care. Huh? It sound like somebody said mama. It sound like somebody said mama, y'all. Anyway, somebody did say mama. See there? There she go. Hey, boo boo. Oh. Hey, my love. I love you, baby. It's okay. Good night, y'all. Hey, she said good night to you, family. YouTube family. Wait a minute, what you doing up? Y'all ain't gonna believe this, but it is past 3 o'clock in the morning. And I'm up like it's the middle of the day. But I'm finna get on off of here, and I'll talk to y'all in the morning. Well, it's already morning, but I'll talk to y'all later today. All right, night. We snowed in, iced in, whatever you want to call it here in Texas. It's about, I think, 7 degrees, 17 degrees. It was 7 something. It was either 7 or 17. I don't know, but it's cold, okay? It is below freezing, and we got ice on the ground. So we ain't going nowhere. We're going to be in the house. Like I told y'all, we're going to be in this house and we're going to celebrate my birthday. My birthday is today. Happy birthday to me. So, I'm just going to whip up Some little Tex-Mex food. Then we got these cupcakes. Let me show y'all the cupcakes. I want y'all to see these cupcakes I got from Sam's. They look so good. So I actually got some brookies as well. These were supposed to be for today. My son opened them and started getting with them. But anyway, this half brookie. I'm sorry, half brownie, half cookie, chocolate chip cookie. But these, y'all, these are the cupcakes. Listen. Yeah, I know I can make a mean cupcake. I can make some good cake and stuff. But look, these were so cute and they look so delicious. We're going to try these with y'all today, okay?
Now, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all this real quick. It's 65 in here and the temp is set to 70. Why it ain't reaching? It's too cold now. But anyway.
Baby's in the kitchen making brisket quesadillas. And I thank y'all. My KK's cooking. And my baby boy is assembling. Yes. All right. Good job, son. Mm-hmm. Listen, y'all, we being real lazy because it's a winter storm. And it's cold and stuff. And so we want to be in our bed. And yes, we eating in the bed again. Teddy Peeper. How'd your babies do?
They did wonderful. Y'all take a look. It's great.
Great.
Hope y'all staying warm and out the way.
Absolutely. That one's mine. Okay. Look how pretty and golden it is. I'm telling y'all, these teenagers is getting down. Mm-hmm. All right, y'all. Stay safe and stay warm. And we'll catch y'all in a little bit.
Next time.
Love y'all big. And hey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And come back later. We will be uploading another video today. Thanks for watching. Ballards by Design.